My name is Isla, and I'm a front-end engineer from Taiwan. And I work with a development team and in a company which develops and maintains a website. As a front-end engineer, I usually collaborate with back-end engineer and UI/UX designers. Well, after the introduction of my job, let's dive into today's topic. In my presentation, I'll be showing three major parts. First, I'll start off by the basic knowledge of web browsers and websites. And second, I will go on to describe what is World Wide Web. And finally, I will explain how to access the website. So, let's start with the web browsers. In a nutshell, web browsers is an application for accessing websites. In my case, I use Google Chrome as my web browser because I think Chrome provides a lot of features and it is very convenient. So now let's move on to the features of browsers. And let me take Google Chrome as an example. Besides the most basic function and core feature is like retrieve and display the web pages, there are several features provided from the browsers. And for example, here we can see the picture in this slide. And have you ever reviewed the secret to the Mr. Incognito? This is one of the features provided by Chrome. And most browsers also have this feature, and we call that private mode. And Chrome provided autofill and password management feature can remember that the information had you filled once. And moreover, Chrome can synchronize the data by Google account. After the brief introduction of the browsers, let us move on to the websites. And I think everyone knows what websites are. Here we can see the top 5 most visited websites in the world. And there are YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And although the category of the websites are dominated by social media platforms, and it's important that there are many different kinds of websites in the world. And take a look at logos in this slide. From multiplayer online video games and marketplace, streaming, and educational websites to chatbot websites. Let's move on to the next topic, www. And we talked about a lot of words which included web. But what is the web? The World Wide Web, commonly known as the web. And it's built on the technologies of like URL, HTTP, and HTML. And let me provide some details about these three. And URL is provide the address for accessing the specific resource on the web. And HTTP is a protocol, like a rule for transferring the web data. And HTML is a language used to create the structure of the web pages. First, web browser will ask the DNS server to find the actual IP address of the web server. And then, web browser will get the IP address of the web server. And then having an IP address to use, the web browser can send a request to the web server. Finally, the web server responds to the web browser's request with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, etc. So the cat now can view the Wales official website on her tablet, and she can freely browse through them. And please note that the server architecture in this picture is only a simplified version. It depends on the requirements of the website. Any more questions? I'm just kidding.